Hi everyone, my name is Martin. I'm a pharmacy graduate with a strong background in chemistry, especially pharmaceutical and healthcare related chemistry. I also have experience working as a community pharmacist where I apply chemistry concept in real life situation every day. During college, internship, and work, I gain experience in laboratory work, medication, and patient education, which also helped me improve my communication and teaching skills. I've always enjoyed helping classmates and students understand chemistry topic in simpler and less overwhelming way. I can teach chemistry to elementary, high school, and even college students. Whether you're studying basic chemistry, general chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and biochemistry, or any pharmacies related subject chemistry, I'll do my best to explain topics step by step in a way that it is easy to understand. I know chemistry can sometimes feel difficult, especially when it comes to formulas, reaction, and computation, but my goal is to make learning more interactive, practical, and enjoyable. I like using simple explanation and real-life example, especially connections to medicine and healthcare so the student can better understand how chemistry used in everyday life. My teaching style is patient, supportive, and adjusted to each student's learning pace and goals. Whether you need help with assignments, quizzes, exams, just to understand the lesson better, I'll be happy to guide and support you. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in class soon. Book a lesson with me and let's make chemistry easier and enjoyable together. See you.